Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CAD in CATIA. So today we are going to make this drawing in a CATIA Wave 5. So let's start our drawing and I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So let's start our drawing. I hope you like this video. I name this part 1. After that I select my Z plane. Then I select a circle. Make a circle and give the radius of this circle to 8.5. Let's check it out. This is 12.5. Yes, this is 12.5. And after that, select a line, make a line. Then the distance of the length of this line is 68. 68, and after that, zoom it out. Then I make a points. Make a point. This is then the distance between this point and this line is 5.2. 5.2 and the distance of before that make one construction line in between these 2 points, and after that select this point, this line, and then give the distance is 24.5, and after that again select a point, make a point, and then give the distance between both of these is 10 point is 10.5, and this is 5.2 is 5.6, not a 5.2, and this is 10.5, and after that the distance of this point to this point is, let's see what is the distance, 36.3, 36.3, and after that again select a point, make a point, and after that give the distance between this point and this line 53.2, 53.2, and after that again select a point, make a point, and again give the diameter distance. This time the distance is 63.5, 63, 63.5, and after that I select a line, make a line from this point, then make a tangent to this, and after that I select a polyline, make a lines, join these 4 points, and then select a fillet, make a fillet between both of these. The fillet radius is 5, and fillet between the make a fillet between these, and this time the fillet radius is also 5. Control Z, delete this fillet, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, select a fillet, make a small fillet, and then double click on the radius and type here 5. Again select a fillet, double click on this and give the Control Z, then select fillet, make a small fillet, do not make a large one. Double click on this, give the 5, and we have forget to give the distance of this point to this line, so give the distance. This is a 5.6, 5.6, and after that from this point to this point is 10.5, and then select a fillet, make a fillet between both of these points, give the radius 5, and after that trim the extra parts, and select this point. After that exit sketch. Before exiting the sketch, open the sketch 1 and delete these points which we are made. After that exit sketch, then select ZX plane sketch, select this point as a Ctrl Z, exit sketch, again open a sketch, and then give the dimension from this point to this line 0. After that exit sketch, then open ZX plane sketch, there is one more point related, and after that select ZX plane sketch, before that project one point of the circle, and after that select a circle, make a circle, select a circle, make a circle on this. The radius of this circle is 2. Then exit sketch. After that select a rev command. In the profile select this profile, and in the center curve select this, then preview. Okay, our part is ready, and this is how we make this drawing in the CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribing my channel.